Hey guys, welcome. It's Stephanie from Crafting in the Rain, and today I'm partnering with Ninja Transfers to show you how to make some cute little St. Patrick's Day favor bags. So real quick, if you don't know, Ninja Transfers is a website where you can go and either use their designs or upload your own original designs or purchase designs. Then they take those designs and turn them into iron-on transfers. You print everything out like in a whole big sheet. You can arrange stuff to maximize the space. And here's just half of the sheet that they sent me. Okay, so you get about 22 inches up to 5 feet, or you can buy as small as 2 feet. So on there I have a couple of t-shirt designs, I have some Easter and St. Patrick's designs, then I also use some of that space to create some branding transfers. So you've got for Crafting the Rain and my Skyline Clay earring shop. And what you can see is cool here is everything is printed on here in one flat layer, including white. It comes rolled up in the mail really nicely in one of those like triangle box mailers. They'll also send you a large piece of protective paper for when you're pressing and some instructions on how to work with the transfers. So first we have the backing material or the film, then the image, and then the heat activated adhesive here on the back. So I've cut out around these designs that I'm going to use. I'm going to put them on these little cotton bags. They've got a little drawstring up at the top, and then I'll fill them with some little St. Patrick's Day treats. I'm using my Cricut Easy Press, but you can also use a household iron or a different kind of heat press. I'm setting the temperature to 330 degrees Fahrenheit and setting the time for 20 seconds. And you can start with these settings and then adjust them as well if you need to. It doesn't harm the transfers if you press them more than once. While that's heating up, I'm going to take a piece of the protective paper. It's basically like a butcher paper. And I'm just going to cut out a smaller square so it'll be easier to work with. I also want to leave a nice big piece for when I make my t-shirt later. Then there's no need to preheat the bag or the shirt or anything, but I do want to make sure that there's no fuzzies or string in the way. Then I'll position the image down where I want it and make sure it stays in place with 1 or 2 little pieces of heat-resistant tape. Then I'll cover with a paper. Then I'll press down with the Cricut and push the start button to begin the timer. When that beeps, I can take off the paper and then let it cool for a couple of minutes and remove the tape and the clear carrier sheet. Then once the plastic layer is gone, I'm going to put the paper back down and press it a second time. This makes it extra durable. So this was the second one that I did, and when I went to peel it, some of it didn't stick down. So I came to the Easy Press and bumped up the temperature 10 more degrees and added 10 more seconds. So now it's at 340 for 30 seconds. And this one peeled off beautifully. So that's something you can try if you have any corners or edges that seem to be peeling up. Just add a little bit of time and or temperature. And then since I have the temperature up higher, I'm just going to do 15 seconds for the second press. Then once all the pressing is done, I made sure that the front of the bag was separated from the back of the bag, just because this is really thin fabric and so a little bit of the glue went through. If you let the glue cool completely, it'll be harder to separate the bag open. So once all the bags are finished, go ahead and fill them up. I'm using gold coins and little bags that I filled with Skittles. And then that's it, and you've got your cute little treat bag. Depending on how big your bags are, what you're using them for, and who you're giving them to, you could add fun little things like little coloring books or little toys or sticker sheets or scratch off lottery tickets. All sorts of things would be fun. And then if you had to make a whole bunch of these for an event or birthday party favors or something, imagine how quickly the whole process will go if all you have to do is cut out each little transfer and iron it down, and then it's done. Like I said, one of the other things that I have printed is a design for a shirt. So in another video, I will press one down to a shirt and run that through the laundry and see how it holds up. The reviews are really good on these Ninja transfers, so that's awesome. And then make sure you check the description for 2 important links. One is a link over to Ninja transfers, so you can check out building a sheet over there if you want to. And the second one is a link for a flash giveaway. I have some of these St. Patrick's Day designs already printed out and ready to send to you with some of these little baggies. And it's just going to be a 24-hour giveaway so that I can mail these out to somebody and you can get them before St. Patrick's Day. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about these transfers. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.